In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on screen lock over here and tap on the best login method for you. Pattern, PIN or password. Following that, wait 5 seconds and tap on Got it. Then create your login method, repeat it to confirm it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to add a fingerprint right away, you can do that by hitting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions presented on your screen. If you don't want to do it now, just tap on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!